This is lesson 2.9 from Go Math, problem solving. Today we're drawing a diagram to solve a division problem. Sarah and Andrew picked apples over the weekend. Sarah picked 9 times as many apples as Andrew. Together, they picked 310 apples. How many apples did each person pick? Now to solve this problem, we will draw a bar model. My bar model needs to have one box for the number of apples that Andrew picked. And next we'll need to write Sarah's name down and draw 9 times as many boxes to show the number of apples she picked. If you look at our diagram, you'll see that Andrew has one box to represent the number of apples he picked. Sarah has 9 boxes next to her name because she picked 9 times as many apples as Andrew. So now you'll see that we have 9 boxes for Sarah, 1 box for Andrew, and 9 plus 1 is 10. So to solve this problem, you need to divide the total number of apples, which is 310, divided by the number of boxes, which is 10. So we know that when dividing, 10 can't go into 3, but 10 can go into 31, and 10 can go into 31 3 times. 10 times 3 is 30, and then we subtract. 31 minus 30 is 1. We bring down our 0, and 10 goes into 10 1 time. 1 times 10 is 10, and 10 minus 10 is 0. So we know that there are 31 apples in each group. So going back to our bar diagram, you're going to write that quotient 31 into each of the boxes. Okay, so now if we added 31 that Andrew picked plus the 9 times 31 that Sarah picked, we should get a total of 310 apples. Okay, so now the question wanted to know how many apples did each person pick? Well, we can easily see from our bar diagram that Andrew picked 31 apples. To find out how many Sarah picked, you simply need to do 31 times 9. 9 times 1 we know is 9. 3 times 9 is 27. So Sarah picked a total of 279 apples. And we're done. We have solved the problem. Another way you could have figured this out, after you did your division problem and you found out that there are 31 in each group and filled in your 31, you know that Andrew has 31 and you still need to figure out Sarah. What you could do is take your total of 310 and subtract 31. So we're going to do that over here. 310 minus 31. Now, you know you can't do 0 minus 1, so what you need to do is regroup. So we go next door, our 1 will become a 0, and this 0 will become a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now, if you look at this, we can't do 0 minus 3, so we're going to regroup again. So this 3 will become a 2, and this 0 will become a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7, and 2 minus nothing is 2. So as you can see, we got 279, which is the same thing we got when we multiplied 31 times 9. So again, Andrew picked 31 apples, Sarah picked 279 apples. And that is solving a problem using drawing a diagram.